Yeah, we're here again with the next video with
Dwight, aka Mr. Fitzgerald, aka Everton, aka TikTok, Lip-Sync.King. That's what the thing go though.
Oh, you mean, my boss? Yeah, man, I'm the boss I roll today, no? Mechanic roll, you know?
What
yeah.
You mean? What you mean? Rolling.
I don't know if you don't know, but you're not gonna know now. I'm at the toughest thing right now on TikTok. So I'm gonna put him link on the screen. I'm gonna know what's going on. Check him out, man. You see me, I said, remember, say you have to direct me, brother.
Oh, you have to go straight.
Okay.
Oh, I'm a toughest one for you?
What you mean?
Because you know something about me tough and spice, actually?
We're not going at the bar there. We're not going to this. The fans say tough. Them say tougher than spice.
No, but I make kind of spice, man. I just fun me again. That's tougher than rice.
Oh, tougher than rice?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so how are you going to deal with it now? We know a mechanic pick up a one and do it for your car. And up the road we are going now, right?
Up the road?
Yeah, because I remember the road there when I come now.
Yeah. And you just go in the corner there and you see one blue mailbox. And just go a little bit further on the street. And then you
Jamaica you come from?
Yeah, man.
Oh, I know, man. The direction alone, I know how Jamaica you come from.
Oh, you serious?
Yeah, man. That's how Jamaican people direct people, brother.
Oh, for real? You think everybody do that?
Jamaican alone, man.
Okay.
You see when you go up the hill, you go see one white wall and one dog there that back. We just go up. Yeah, so them deal with it, brother.
But that's what I see me do.
So
may I tell you exactly what it
So hold on, they glue down your dog. Suppose by the reach of the dog gone.
No, man, every day I'm up there back, man.
Okay.
Oh, man, see that?
Yeah.
No, man, every day man see that up there back, man. And you hear a cow further on up, Mr. Lenko. You hear Mr. Lenko move right now, grass in my pass right so. Every day Mr. Lenko there, man.
Watch out.
And the thing about it to Kevin, and she named Townwood. And the street named Townwood, you know. And she named Townwood. Kevin, look at the girl pretty. The girl pretty like money, guess what? The girl now no youth neither, no, Kevin.
Yeah.
And her belly look like, I don't know what puff up her belly so, but Kevin, the girl a fair street and she named Townwood. You know what I mean?
Townwood.
You know what Townwood do? And she control all the wood night town.
Oh shit.
Yeah. She almost tricked me one day, you know.
Yeah.
And then I tell you, say, there was a girl. The girl, you know, you look up on some people and you wonder if you could go take them and go clean them up. I saw sometimes I pray them and say, oh, yo, somebody can't clean my girl, man. I'm saying the girl nice, 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 the girl look nice, the girl look nice, and the girl does control the whole of town with dog.
Damn.
Yeah, man. I know, say, I wish I was the best way to go. Okay. If you go further up yonder, or if you go around so and then go up so. And then go around so.
I want way I know if I go down there, so I go past all back my yard and sit at the way that me know, you know.
I know, say the fastest way though.
Yeah.
But you know the speed, the thing there, shit.
What?
Easy pass.
Yeah.
But alright, it's good. Alright, yeah, man, it's good. Cause I go so and so and so. Cause chimney rock in the pan, right? No, the chimney rock, what's back? What?
I'm the pan
what's back?
A well Chris? I know well Chris. No, no well Chris.
I know well Chris in the pan Hillcraft.
Hillcraft, yeah.
Hillcraft, okay. Alright. No matter how you take it at the same distance, if you make it go right and go like 610 way, might as well you go that way, take at the same thing.
Same distance. Alright, then that's something.
Same distance. Yo, Daddy, you know, say first my hair roll?
I know.
I was asking, I feel like $1 million.
That's how I make sure I carry
I feel like $1 million.
Carry my cameraman.
You're my best friend of the first my hair roll. Yo, this have to go down in history.
That's why I carry it.
This have to go down in history.
It have to go in history, man.
History, this have to go down in history, I swear. Yo, the car drive good enough, Kevin.
The man.
Well, the man said to me, say a while ago, yo, your car mad, you know?
Oh.
I want a mechanic tell me that, you know?
Alright.
You're supposed to know.
Yeah, man, I tell you, brother, listen. People don't need new car and rare. Yeah, for sure, so yeah, make a little changes. But what do my car? You drive got Dallas, you drive got Atlanta, and all them places and come back. No, don't make care, brother.
So let me ask you a question now. If you have if you have on a Versace shoes, or you have on a Payless shoes, the Versace shoes are $1,000, the Payless shoes are $20. I know you can get shoes at $20 at Walmart. What the difference?
The difference, some people do things with people. Because if you're in the Versace, more people are going to look on you. Yeah, them not going to really want to look on you with that kind of playlist. Wait, what kind of list?
Playlist.
Okay. You understand me? I say, but me not do nothing for nobody. I do it for me and my family.
But you know me. But think about me still in my general.
Yeah, man. See, big boss, yeah. We're showing you the big boss. Yeah, see the big boss, yeah. Real mechanic. No joke to the thing. You see me? Real big boss thing, you know?
Yeah.
Hey, where boss there? Where my friend there?
Boss there. You take care of some business.
Oh, see, boss cousin, you know, I'm run off for business, you know. So I don't know now for log in on the car broke down.
For real,
see things set, huh? Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, go and hold it, man. So, them deal with iron carrot, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. See, them what this up as now. Lexus is done. Yeah, man. So, nobody think of some people have fixed ladder and all them car there. You see me I say? Yeah. Range Rover and all these things. VW, Benz and Audi. You see me? And the dog fix good or cheap car to like my car.
Why am I there? Why am I there? I'm there because you fix good.
Yeah, and fix cheap car too. Like me and Billy one. Yeah, so that's how I think set, man.
Where's that?